Hey, welcome back to SOP's house. Time for another review. Looks familiar, don't it? But guess what? It's something different. Yep, my last video I told you I was going to do a review of this, so let's do her. Another VastFire light. This is, yeah, I already opened it, an infrared. And as you can see, infrared. This camera has an infrared filter on it, that's why it's not picking it up that bright, which is good. Otherwise I would have just whited out the whole thing. So this is just going to be a short review. Comes with a light, a couple batteries, charger, USB also. Get rid of that. It has a tail cap for weapons mounting. Get rid of that. Oops. Also comes with a mount. And a wrench. Gotta have the wrench. God, I must have like 40 of these wrenches by now. Anywho, it also comes with a AAA battery adapter. Oops, keep it in the camera, silly. For 3 AAA batteries. Or you can use the 18650s. Now, one nice thing that they include in this, that some flashlights who give you the option of using the 3 single batteries, is this plastic sleeve. Goes around your 18650, keeps it from bouncing all over the place, because without it you get all kinds of wobble. Put that in there, helps keep your battery centered, and there we go, good as new. This light also zooms. Unfortunately, I can't show you a whole lot in here. I'll give you a little demonstration with some outdoor footage where you can see I zoom it. But you zoom it in and zoom it out. And you know, overall, it's a pretty decent little flashlight. Oops, I already got it dirty. Shame on me. That's better. Now it's clean. I did a quick little video outside. I'm going to run that while we're talking here. It's short. But you can see how well it lights up for the tree line. Pretty decent little range on it. Overall, I'm impressed. It's a very solid crenulated bezel for self-defense if need be. Although, you know, personally, it could have had just a standard bezel. I would have been just as happy with it. But again, there's the name, VastFire. If my camera will focus. It's not wanting to. Either that or my eyes aren't, one of the two. Anyway, but like I say, it comes with tail cap for weapons mounting, an adapter, a charger, a weapons mount. Comes with two 18650 batteries. All in all, I say it is actually a pretty decent deal. I will put a link below to it in the video here. And yeah, this is a short review. You already seen the footage. Not much else I can say. If you need an external IR illuminator, this will get it done, and it's not a bad price. So that's it for this video. It's nice, short, and sweet. Catch me later. God bless. Bye.
Hey, this is Dave. Thanks for watching the den. If you like what you see, hit the little subscribe button that's going to be up here or down there. If you want to know when we release a new video, hit that little bell icon, click receive notifications. That way you know when we release a new video. Again, thanks for watching the den. I'm Dave.
I'm Charlie.
Remember, keep them loaded.
Keep it safe.
Peace.